something to take for work for breakfast.
Should you choose to accept?
Good morning to my YouTube family. Outside, I'm gonna have a little coffee this morning. As you can see, my head is itching. I can't wait to get my locks done. But I'm out here because I need to talk to you guys and inform y'all of what happened. So I hope y'all can hear me clearly. Yesterday, I was editing the video that's supposed to be out today, but I'm out here today, this morning. So I was supposed to be putting a video out, me food shopping, and I went to movies, and I did some other things. I was just trying to finish up the video yesterday. That video took me with the editing. I didn't get done till I went to bed at 2 a.m. Finally went at 2 a.m. what happened was I had deleted the whole footage that I wanted to put out today. Clock that tick. I'm pissed. So, in saying all of that, this will bring this video about. So I was unable to do it. What happened was I had deleted, if y'all can hear me, I had deleted my video. Okay, so I had deleted my video. I hope y'all can hear me good. Oh. So I had deleted my video by accident because I thought I uploaded twice on my, on my device. I thought I uploaded twice, so I deleted. It showed like it was two. The one that I already did, and then the other one, it showed like it was ready to watch. And so I thought it was two. So I had deleted by accident. And then I would never do this again. I deleted like the downloads and everything so I could keep storage in my, so I could keep storage, okay? In my phone, okay? So in saying all of that, I deleted the whole thing. So this is why I'm doing this right now. I apologize. It's a learning lesson for me the second time. And plus I was tired. Because when I work, I give my all when I work. So I was tired. I had to cook. Oh yeah, and I did do a cooking up in the kitchen. I didn't make salmon. I was just showing how I cleaned it, cooked it, seasoned it, and everything. And yeah, so in saying all of that, it's a learning lesson every day. So I'm still learning this game in 9 months. So, so I just appreciate everyone for being patient. But guess what? I will be going live. On Friday. So I think that will make up for the video I'm doing right now. Okay, so I just decided to have my coffee, come outside, and just talk to y'all, give you a different scenery. But I do have a couple of clips before to show what I did do. I did edit that. I was going to use it for my upcoming video, but I guess, maybe the video wasn't supposed to come out or whatever. I know I made a human error. So, yeah. So that's about it. So I'm just getting up this morning. Today is Tuesday. This is the actual day. So this will be going up. This is the actual day. So yeah. This is it. Oh, coffee talk with Bev. Coffee talk with Bev, and I'm looking forward to my live I'm going to do on Friday. I'll try to get some interactions, and yeah, it's going to be later, because I do work on that day, so it's going to be after I get off of work, so just keep a lookout on that for that. And yeah, so right now, we're just going to enjoy being outside. Cheers. You know I like my coffee in the morning.